Are you ready?
Ready?
I'd like to welcome you to Australasia 2019 to be held here in the Philippines. The Filipino people loves sport shooting. As many of my foreign friends say, the Filipino was born with a firearm in his pillow. It is an inherent talent that we Filipinos have as a nation. As a Filipino, I would like to invite all of you, my international friends, to come to the Philippines and experience the Filipino hospitality, the warmth of our people, the beauty of our country. We have a tropical paradise here in the Philippines with very, very beautiful beaches, resorts, cities, towns, and culture. We want you to see the Philippines for what the Filipinos are all about. We want you to experience Filipino love, warmth, and hospitality. The last time we held an Australasia in the Philippines was in 2001. And we are very excited because after 17 years, we will be holding the next Australasia here in the Philippines. We are excited to hold this prestigious event because we want to make sure that after 17 years, we will give you a very, very memorable experience in the Philippines. We will have challenging courses of fire. We will have professional range officer management by AROA. And we will make sure that you go home emotionally fulfilled and excited after the event.
See you in Australasia.
See you in Australasia!
And as a final message to you, my friends, here and abroad, it's more fun ipsy shooting in the Philippines. Mabuhay!